So everybody, I'm here in the Air and Space Museum, and I thought I would give you my version of parts of the tour. Just came in here, and this is Burt Rutan's Voyager. It's the first aircraft to fly non-stop all the way around the globe without refueling in the 86 or something like that. Thought this was cool. They've got the original Enterprise. But you come in here, the first thing I noticed was take a look. That's the lunar lander from Apollo, of course. And I don't know, I'd always kind of imagined that as 15 feet tall, but when you think about that black, let's see if I can mark it. The black section here is what actually ascends back up into space. And that has a rocket engine in space for 2 guys. So I guess I shouldn't be shocked that it's so tall, but that thing's got to be 35 feet tall. It's amazing to think how heavy that is, and that's just the tippy top of the rocket. But lots of other amazing stuff here. I don't know if that's the actual Spirit of St. Louis or a model of it. I'll go look at that, but that's the aircraft that, what's his name? Charles Lindbergh flew across the Atlantic, the first non-stop flight across the Atlantic. That is Spaceship One, which is the first reusable orbital plane. They got that thing up to orbit, brought it back home. 7 days later they got it up, well actually it wasn't in orbit, they got it up into space. It's a suborbital flight, but it made it up into space twice in 7 days. That's the Bell X-1, first aircraft to ever fly faster than the speed of sound. This, oh, I forgot what they said that is, but apparently it's the first American jet fighter. Got a couple of nuclear missiles, the SS-20 and the US Pershing missile, so Russian and American one. And up above us, the X-15. I'll zoom out so you can see it better. The X-15. That's a rocket plane. Doesn't have any air intake, but they drop it off a B-52 to see how fast they could go. They got that thing up to well above Mach 5 a number of times. So anyway, I'm gonna go look at other rooms, but thought I'd show you this. Love you guys. Bye.